guys, our little hideout. Marlon's leading the play. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's
around same time. Thanks for joining us on the journey again. We got a short little video for you. Camping in Wales.
If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Man with the fan. So this is a quick introduction to our little secret spot in Wales. We've camped here once, and it's like our favorite place to go to.
So peaceful.
Yeah, it's like the most serene place on earth.
Yeah. Secret location. So here we're setting up our tent, just getting it out the bag, setting up our shelter for the night.
I'm really doing much, if you guys can see, it's just pretty device, yeah.
That's it.
Okay, so this tent is like a little caterpillar because it's not very big, but I think it's so compact and easy to travel with.
Yeah.
And actually it's slightly it's kind of deceiving because even though the outside looks really tiny, inside is actually quite a lot of space to like spread out.
Yeah, little caterpillar, little.
So after getting our tent fully set up, we started prepping for like lunch, brunch. Usually when we're traveling, we travel with like lots of like fresh raw things that we can eat, or things that are easy to assemble. So here we made like a really nice salad.
It was really good. Little onions, chickpeas, hummus,
avocado,
vegan tuna.
Yes, that was good. Lettuce.
Yeah.
So here we are, smash it.
Yeah, I mean, like, camping is really great.
Yeah, I definitely love camping. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's like a retreat. Apart from like living ducks, I think camping is definitely one of my favorite things. Just being out in nature, just like living simply, having what you need.
Returning to the roots, you know?
Yeah, cooking outside. I just love that.
Simple living.
I don't care about white people. This is shy. It's beautiful. I live here for 7 years.
Right, so we add the culture value.
Here we are, just soaking up the sun. The black love. Don't be shy. Look, someone's always shy. was a little sunset, and then we had an amazing, nice little movie night vibes.
Yeah, it was just really good film. I can't remember the name of it, but it was like a really nice black love movie. And nice chocolate brother was in there. I don't know. Good rising. So we literally just woken up. Just doing like our usual morning ritual.
Brushing the teeth, washing your face.
Yeah, we had like a little wash in the river.
It was nice. First step on Mother Earth.
It was freezing, but yeah, it was nice.
Self-love, self-care.
That's wonderful, right? That's massage.
Views. Well, thank you guys for joining us. It was great to have you along the journey. Please like, share,
Subscribe, all that good stuff. Welcome to our channel.
thanks for your support.
Hope you liked it.